Good day and welcome to another video with Majid Kryptonite. In this channel we talk about how to make money, free crypto mining apps and crypto updates. If this is your first time in this channel, please hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon for notification so you'll be notified when we upload new videos. Welcome back. In today's video is the chapter 3 of Beginner's Guide to Cryptocurrency. If you haven't seen chapter 1 and 2, go to my YouTube playlist and watch the video for better understanding. In today's video, we are going to be talking about blockchain, what a blockchain is. The big question is, what is blockchain or blockchain technology? A blockchain is a decentralized ledger of all transactions across a peer-to-peer network. Using this technology, participants can confirm transactions without a need for a central clearing authority like the banks and government. Potential applications can include funds transfer, settling trades, voting, and many other issues. Okay, let me break it down so you get to understand. Blockchain holds the records or take records of multiple different cryptocurrency. It takes the transaction records of multiple different cryptocurrency which has been sent and received by different individuals. That is the work of the blockchain. It holds and stores and takes record of transactions of multiple different cryptocurrency, and that's what a blockchain does. A simple definition so you guys get to understand what a blockchain actually means and what it does. You might want to ask, what are the benefits of a blockchain? Number one, it increased transparency. Now let me explain that to you. Blockchain technology is so transparent that everyone gets to see what you're doing. The amount of coin you're receiving and the amount of coin you're sending out through Etherscan. Once you go to Etherscan, that is where you can track someone's transactions using their receiver's address, their Bitcoin receiver's address. You can actually see the transactions which any individual who are involved in the crypto space are doing. You can track it. You can check records of their transaction. It is so transparent. Anyone can view your transaction through the blockchain. Now, number two, accurate tracking. Accurate tracking means you can track every single transaction of every individual who are involved in the crypto space through their Bitcoin receiver's address. Once you go to the Etherscan, you input their Bitcoin receiver's address and then you see every single transaction which has been carried out. Okay? You will see when he receives and sends out crypto and the amount he has sent out. You see everything. It has this accurate tracking. Now, number three, permanent ledger. Now, permanent ledger means every single transaction which has been carried out on the blockchain, it cannot be hacked. It cannot be manipulated. Okay? It cannot be changed. That means it is secured. It has a permanent ledger which can never and ever be manipulated. And then the last one, cost reductions. Now, for example, let me use our local banks as an example. You can carry out huge transactions, okay, and then you'll be charged for that transaction. Okay, you'll be charged for that transaction if you're doing, if you're carrying out a huge transaction with our local banks. Okay, but with cryptocurrency, imagine you sending out over $1 million worth of Tron cryptocurrency and you're being charged just 0.01 cent, just a fraction of a cent as a transaction fee. You can imagine, that's crazy. You're sending out $1 million to someone through cryptocurrency and you're only being charged a fair charge fee of fraction of a cent, not even up to $1. Imagine. But if you should compare that with our local banks, let me say you want to carry out a transaction, okay, worth $1 million. You and I know how much the bank is going to charge you for that transaction, but with blockchain technology, it is cost. It has cost reduction. Okay, so that's it. How does blockchain works? Someone requests transactions For example, someone wants to send Bitcoin to his friend. Now, this is what happens in the blockchain. The requested transaction is broadcast to a peer-to-peer network consisting of computers known as nodes. The network of nodes validates the transactions and the user's status using known algorithm. A verified transaction can involve cryptocurrency, contrast, records, or other information. The transaction is being completed. Now the new block is then added to the existing blockchain in a way that it is permanent. Okay? That means it cannot be changed, it cannot be hacked, it cannot be manipulated. It is permanent. Okay? In the ledger of the blockchain. Now, once verified, the transaction is combined with other transactions to create a new block of data for the ledger. And that's it. This is how the blockchain actually works. Transaction cannot be changed or manipulated. Once it's recorded, it has been recorded. It cannot be manipulated. Now, that's one unique thing about blockchain technology. If you find this content very useful, make sure to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon for notification so you'll be notified when we upload new video. And don't forget to watch other chapters for better understanding. Thank you for watching.